What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Santa Monica. Why? Because Santa Monica Nike's been having all kinds of stuff. So I don't know. I don't have any inside info. I figured I'd stop by and see what they got. All right, I don't anticipate any restocks. I think most of the restocks have been during the week. So, but yeah, let's go see what they got. You resellers know, man, they've been having crazy restocks of Dunks and stuff like that here. Grove. Been crazy midweek. Today, nothing. But yeah, let's look around though. Still look around. All right, those of you guys that have been here, they pretty much categorize everything by sports. Kids section right there. This is usually where you pick up all the Dunks, Jordans, and I think casual sneakers over there, I believe. Do got the 7s, size 9, probably multiple sizes available. Bo Jackson trainers. Got these bad boys, size 11 right here. Okay. Off-white Vibe right here. Have they always had this? Has the ACG always been laced like this? I don't know. I don't really know this one. The Mountain Fly Lows. Oh, $180. Okay. Still got the 13s. Okay. These. The more and more I look at these, I'm telling you, like they look nice. They look dope. And they sell Jason Mark's Rappel stuff right here. That's interesting. I don't really use any of this stuff. You are putting a chemical on the shoe, and I'm just kind of worried about putting chemicals on shoes. So yeah, I haven't really done any of that stuff. So, all right. Center cords going for $135. Blazers, okay. Clean Air Max 95s, $175 for these. Just all buck leather. Does have nylon up top as well. Okay. Then the Air Max Plus. Got these bad boy, $175 for these. Okay. Do got a pretty dope Jordan display. The Last Shot 14. Don't have those Last Shot 14s. Playoff 12s. Many of us have these. They just re-released. Bread 11s. Those came out what, 2020? 2020? Are those re-released in 2020? Infrareds re-released 2019. Some 7s. When did these? I feel like these just came out, what, 3 years ago? I don't remember. And then the 8s right there. And it does have, you know, the years that did release. That's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Definitely don't get dope displays like that at the outlets, but that's pretty dope. Do got the Nike basketball section right here. Westbrook, why not 0.5s? Okay. The Zoom GTs with all that tons of Zoom Air on it. Okay. Looks like it has carbon fiber and stuff. Dang, these look pretty serious. $180 for these. Do got multiple colorways. So the KD 14s go for $150. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. I'm not a fan of it though. Man, we've seen these a bunch of times. Okay. Multiple colorways of the Kyrie 8s finally. The Kyrie Infinities. Seen plenty of those colorways now. These were like the most delayed shoes of all times. Man, maybe because so many of them are made in Vietnam, maybe? I don't know. 3 out of 5 colorways of the Unos. These are the Zoom Free 3s. Apparently he likes to play Uno. I don't know where that came from. Got some Zions, go for $120. Then multiple LeBrons go for $2. And these are fire. They just look huge. They look huge. Man, okay. Do got the running shoes right here. We've seen most of this, even at the outlets, for pretty cheap. They have the Alpha Flight Experts and stuff. All right, let's go check out downstairs where they do have the women's section. Women's stuff all kind of together. The running, training, lifestyles over here. Okay. And Jordan 11s. Do got the something violet? Something? I don't remember. But the violet lows. The ones, I've seen those in a bunch of spots. Whoa, what's this? Some recycled blazers? I don't think I've ever seen this. This is definitely interesting. Curious to see how the material lasts. Oh, that's hella interesting. I've never seen that. 20% recycled material. Okay. But $100 for those. Safari Air Max 97s go for $180. I'm not digging that black. It's like a rubbery plastic black right there on the bottom. Definitely not feeling that. The golds right there go for $180. That's a pretty cool colorway. $175 for these right here. Purple ones, $175, and then all white ones up top. All right, no releases here today, I guess. All right, let's go check out some other shops. They got plenty of shops here on the 3rd Street Promenade. All right, do got Footlocker champs over there. And also have a Shoe Palace, but there's a Lids. And Lids have been having some random sales. Let's go see what they got. All right, did come in to the far inside, and they do got sales. Do got sales, $20 for these. Is like the flex fit type of hats. Yeah, $20. It's not that much of a sale. Don't see any signs saying, hey, it's cheaper. They do got $10 hats though. These are snapbacks. Normally $36 down to $10. Got these Michelin S right here. These are snapbacks down to $10. Normally $39. Okay. Adjustable Street Fighter hat going for $20. Okay. This Clipper hat looks pretty dope. $25. I know it's a fitted. Normally probably goes for $45. Okay. FC Barcelona, $15 adjustable hats right here. Oh, Manchester City going for $15. Okay. Juventus going for $15. Bunch of European clubs. What's that? Club of America right here. Going $40. Oh, it's a regular price. What the hell? Why is that regular price? Bastards. This one's going for $50 right here. Okay. This is fire. I'm a huge fan of this. There's white though, man. I can't do white hats. I also can't do $45. I'm way too cheap. That is a fitted right there. Oh, I like that. I like that color scheming, man. I like that. But I think that's pretty much it for all their sales, yo. Wow, just the top portion right here, and then just that one right there. That's it. That's it. All right. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it moving. Let's go to the next spot. I'm sure there's a riveting game of chess going on right here. White's like spanking the black. Okay. There's an Adidas store. I just passed that. There's a Dodgers clubhouse as well. We've stopped by both of those spots. So yeah, we're gonna keep moving. Is this more walking than the mall, or is this the same as the mall? I don't know. Let's go see what's up with this Footlocker. Stuff usually moves real slow, so maybe we'll find some sales. I don't know. Let's see. Adidas section right here. Not getting too much love. I don't really see much, dude. Like nothing new and nothing on sale big time. Checking out the Puma section, and they do got these OG stuff right here. Normally $150 down to $90. Not feeling these much at all. Yeah, no, I'm good. Leather's like nice, but good on those. Couple of suedes on sale. We saw the suedes go on sale big time. What, a month or two ago? Still got some slides on sale. Not much though. 25 down to 20. These do have the cloud foam. It's supposed to be pretty cushiony. I don't really mess with the Adidas sides too much. I do have the Boost ones. I think these are softer than the Boost ones though. Oh, they are down to $10. They are down to $10. This is my size right here. I already have like this color version of this one, but it doesn't have this right here. Let me think about it. Do I really need red ones? This one's down to $20. $10 for these right here. These still go for regular price. And what the hell are these? What is this? Like a, dang dude, like a woven material? Okay, it's going for $40. Normally $90. What? Malibu slides go for $90. Checking out Vans. I feel like we've been seeing some of the same Vans on sale. I've seen all these on sale before, I feel like. These are down to $50. This is a Footlocker exclusive. These are all $90 down to $50. Okay. And then now we're checking out the Diodoras N9002s. Those are N92s right here. Normally $65 down to $40. The material on these not bad. Normally $100 for those. Then look at this, all suede pair right here, $100 down to $30. These are the Maverick Commutes right here. Then we got a buck leather one going for $20, even cheaper. Dang. Then we got these. Remember, showed these at the outlet, the Reebok outlets. Got them on sale. I got my pair for cheaper at Footlocker too, so look around. Then this is the Nike section. Look, I see some interesting stuff, to be really honest. Wow. Is this a return pair? Like, we haven't seen these in a while. This is a size 10. Starfish 5s. That's hella interesting to see that here. Dude, got these mids. These have been selling out everywhere, haven't they? I don't know the price of those. They've been going for what, $125 now? And then got the 13s, the wannabe Flints right here, go for $2. And then got the Del Sols, but yeah, not bad. I'm tripping seeing those because we haven't seen those in forever. That's hella interesting. Okay. Dang, I'm interested in this too. Look, have we seen this colorway? I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. It's kind of like a freshwater, but a little different. Okay, $170 for these. I didn't know these even released. Okay, got the wheat ones. I'm a huge fan of those. $160 for these. Like, I haven't seen these I don't think we've seen these colorway, have we? We saw like the purple and white ones, but the one with all the orange, I don't think I see these. Okay. Do got a few Air Maxes on sale. These are some Air Max 95s. These are definitely the cheapest we've seen these. Size 11.5 right here. Air Max Plus right there, not too bad. And then these Air Max Plus right here as well. I'm not a big fan. I know a lot of you guys are though, so that's why I'm showing these. And then got this one with that Beaverton, Oregon tag on it as well. So okay, not bad, not bad. Just be nosy, but do got a Lakers fitted hat going for 30 bucks. These normally are what, 39, so slight sale. Only had here on sale though. And wearing some Jordan 1 highs today. These are the crater ones, Jordan 1 high craters. And it is the same day shorts, red shorts, wearing t-shirt. That's it. Checking out the kids section, not really that much. The animal party Crocs on sale, but other than that, not really much. I'm not gonna lie, not really much. And not really seeing stuff here either. So, all right, let's go to Champs. I'm still gonna think about those Champion slipper thingies. Do got Champ Sports. I think that's the last shop we're gonna stop by. Let's see what they got. It is pretty big. Only one in, I think, Los Angeles that has a women's section, right? No. Del Amo has one too. Never mind. All right, let's go. Jordan section, we've already seen those. Not much. Do got these Zoom separates? I don't think I've seen these, have I? I don't know. Oh, it's here. It's a buck 10. Okay. They got the flights right here, the Flight Light mids. I know some of y'all are huge fans of these. Just have the old school nostalgic look. Buck 20, 130. Do got a pair of the 550s right here. These are heavy as hell. Buck 10. These look pretty big, dude. These look pretty big. Do got some 574s on sale. That's good to see these on sale because for a while we saw a bunch of them on sale. Normally 85 down to 65. 150 for these. I'm not digging this colorway though. I haven't worn my 574s in a while. Like, man, maybe I'll wear those tomorrow. Do you got the Nimbus? Normally $150. Nimbus 23s normally $150 down to $70. Wow. Cumulus. Normally $120 down to $60. That's a good price though. These are normally $120 and then down to $60, so not bad. Look at these Iversons right here, down to $120. Normally $150, $160 now. I forgot they went up. Dang. Okay, got stuff. Remember that is a 25th year anniversary one. That's not digging that silver, dude. No. Did the Deodoras just even get cheaper than the Footlocker right there? Damn, $25. Normally $90. These are the Mavericks. Got other Deodoras on sale too. You got some grade school dunks. These are size 5 right here. Got these as well. Okay. This is the women's section right here. So this is all the women's stuff. Okay. Airmore Up Tempos on sale. Okay. Got Jordan 1 mids, 6s, 11 lows. 190 for these. These are 190. And then got these right here, these winter ones that came out like 3 months late. Suede's not bad. It's a little thin, but the suede is pretty soft. You know, the liner is going to be really soft. So $110 for those. Okay. Dude got some Pumas. You ain't dying for me to show y'all these Pumas. So I'm good. Thank you. You're not dying for me to show y'all these, are you? I don't know. Well, they got them. Air Max section right there. We did see a lot of those Air Max 97s over there at Nike. All right, not seeing much, you guys. Not seeing much. I think we're gonna have to call it a day, man. We're gonna have to call it a day. All right, let's wrap it up. It's crazy to see these on sale. These are normally $150 down to $120. Do got the OG Prestos right here, but it's a Halloween one. That's crazy. Remember, these were limited, then they restocked, and then the price went down because they're not hyped anymore. That's crazy. All right, now let's officially wrap it up. We're done. All right, people have been asking how I've been losing weight. Look, this is my lunch. That's how I'm losing weight. Good. All right, let's go check out some shops. Let's see what's up. 50-cent lunch. All right, let's go up and go check out Nike Santa Monica. They've been having all kinds of stuff.